Hey, what's up guys, it's Bam here from Andro.com. This is the Galaxy Watch Active 2 and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 10 awesome tips for you to make the maximum out of this smartwatch. So if you're excited for this video, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now and let's get started with today's video. The first tip is always on mode on the Galaxy Watch Active 2. So in order to enable this, all you have to do is you have to go into the notification shade over here, and then you can just go ahead and hit on this button right here, and that will enable the always on mode on the Watch Active 2. You can also find this setting under the settings area under watch faces. You can find this under watch always on, so you can turn this on if you want the always on to be there, but keep in mind this will drain your battery significantly, so keep that in mind if you set it. But it's nice to have the watch always on, and that's how I personally use it, even though it drains a lot of battery. In the next step, let me show you how you can go ahead and change your watch face on the Watch Active 2. So it's a matter of just pressing and holding on whatever watch face that you're on, and then you can just swipe across to see all the other watch faces that are available. So for an example, if you want to set this watch face, you can even customize the watch face. So from this screen you can change the background style, so you can just swipe just like this to change the background style, and then the clock type can also be changed from a digital to analog. So if you have the analog, you can even enable a ticking sound, so it will tick with the clock. So that's also another cool thing that you can enable in this particular watch face. So you can pick whatever option you prefer, and then you can go ahead and set that as your default watch face on this. Other than that, there are other watch faces that you can customize here as well. And if you get into the Galaxy wearable application on the smartphone also, you can get into the watch faces section right over here in the middle, and from here you can find all the watch faces that are available. There are actually a lot of options here that are available. So if you want a fitness focused watch face, you can maybe go for something like this one that is just getting loaded. So this Fit Future one is for that. So let's say if I want this, I can go ahead and hit on that install button, and that watch face will quickly go ahead and get downloaded onto my watch, and I can set this watch face as my primary. Once the watch face has got downloaded successfully, I can go ahead and hit on apply and then approve this, and now the watch face has got installed onto my phone. So just like that, it's there. It was just downloaded from the Galaxy store. Other than that, from the discover section you can find more third-party watch faces for your watch. So definitely check them out. There's a big selection here for the Watch Active 2 when it comes to watch faces. So get the maximum out of this and pick whatever watch face that you prefer, and make sure you use your watch to the best of its ability. In the next step, let me show you the workout options that are available on the Galaxy Watch Active 2. So this watch face in particular has all the workouts. So the first option when it comes to the workouts is we have the running coach, then we have walking, running, cycling, hiking, swimming pool, then outdoor swimming, then we have the treadmill, exercise bike, and much more. So we have a bunch of workouts that are built right into the Watch Active 2, and there's even a more section for you to select even gym exercises. So you can select the bench press and the crunches and all of that. All of those things are on this. So I think it has a really extensive list of workouts. I don't think even the Apple Watch has all of these things built into it. So definitely make the maximum out of this when it comes to living a healthy life. If you own a Watch Active 2, make use of these workouts, and when you click on this three-dot menu, you can even set your own profile. So you can set this profile to get the correct measurements, the correct targets directly from the watch itself, and you can see how much of calories you will burn, and you can use this to make the maximum out of your work. With the Galaxy Watch Active 2, you can actually make calls and answer them thanks to the speaker and the microphone. So I have this watch connected to this phone. So if I want to make a call, I don't even need my phone. So from the watch itself, I can just press this down button over here, and then I can go into the dialer just like this, and then open up the dialer, and then we get this nice and neat little dialer that I can use to call anyone. So I'm just gonna call my own number. So just like that, I've dialed the number in. Now I can go ahead and call it. So just like that, the phone call was made directly from the watch without even using the phone. Next, let me show you the stress monitoring feature that is built into the Watch Active 2. So there's a stress monitoring function built in, so you can go ahead and hit on this button, and it's able to capture how much of stress you have. So you have to actually wear the watch in order for this to work. So you have to make sure that the watch is tightly fit onto your hand. So I'm just fixing it now, and I can go ahead and hit on that measure button, and the watch will take a few seconds to capture and see how much of stress I have at this moment. We'll let it run through. Alright, so just like this, now it's showing me my stress level, and it's even recommending me some breathing exercises that will improve my situation if I want. And I think this is something that you should use if you think you get stressed a lot. Next, let me show you how you can clear the RAM and all that on the Watch Active 2. So you need to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Wearable application, and then you need to go into About Watch, and from here you can see the stats. You can see the battery life, the storage, as well as the RAM. So if you want to clear the RAM, you can go into this section and go ahead and hit on Clean Now, and the watch RAM will get cleared instant. Next, let me show you the power saving mode that is built into the Watch Active 2. So this is actually available under this section over here. So from the top notification shade area, you can find this. So you can go ahead and turn on this power saving function if you want to save the battery or improve the battery life on your Watch Active 2. So just like this, you can turn on the power saving, and it will cut down on certain things, and it will even give this special power saving watch face. So this will give you even better battery life on your Watch Active 2. So if you are really in need of really good battery life, you can make use of this. And if you want to disable the power saving mode, as you guys can see, the display has even turned into monochrome. The colors are gone. If you want to disable the power saving, just like that, you can go back and turn it off, and now it's turning off the power saving mode. So now you will go back into the color display, and you can use your watch the same way that you have been using it all this time. Let's say you go out for a swim and you use your Watch Active 2. Then after the swim, there's something essential that you need to do with your watch, and that is to use this water lock mode. So you can hit on that button, and then all you have to do is just press this down button over here, and press and hold it actually, and it will turn on the water lock mode, and then it will eject all the water from this. So it's similar to what the Apple Watch is doing. So it's even giving you advice on what you need to do. Take off the water so the pressure sensor will work. So you can do that if you have put it in the water, so that your watch won't be damaged again. In the next tip, let me show you the phone finder option that is built into the Galaxy Watch Active 2, as well as the watch finder that is built into the app, so you can find your watch or your phone. So in order to do this, just swipe down, and then you need to go into the last page, and you can hit on this button over here, and you can find your phone. Just like this, I have found my phone. So I have stopped the alarm. So just like that, the same thing can be done to the watch as well. In the last tip, let me show you how you can enable the hourly chime on your Galaxy Watch Active 2. So in order to do that, you need to go into watch faces, and then from here you have this option for hourly chime. So what this will do is, you will hear a small sound and a vibration at the start of each hour. So When it becomes 4, you will hear a sound and a vibration. It's 5, 6, so on and so forth. So it's really good. And other than that, I want to share some bonus features with you as well. So from the notification shade, if let's say you use the power saving mode a lot, you want to edit how it looks, you want to get the power saving mode to the first page. In that case, all you have to do is just press and hold on these, and let's say you want to get the power saving to this page, you can drag it onto this page just like this, and now it's set. So now every time you swipe down, there we have the power saving mode over there. And other than that, you can even edit these pages and how they appear from app, so you can make any type of change there if you want. And also the Galaxy Watch Active 2 has great sleep tracking, as I spoke about in my unboxing, as well as the initial hands-on video of the Watch Active 2. So definitely give it a shot, use this, try as much as possible to use this in the night to track your sleep and improve your sleeping patterns and improve your lifestyle. At the end of the day, that's what using a smartwatch will actually aid you in the end. So that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, definitely go ahead and share this video with all of your friends who might have the Watch Active 2 or who might be planning to pick up the new Galaxy Watch Active 2. If you have any other video suggestions featuring the Watch Active 2, drop a comment down below and let me know. And if you're new to my channel, smash that subscribe button right now for more awesome tech videos just like this in the future. Follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.